Ever wondered how to capture the attention of the millennial generation in the fast paced world of mobile devices? Join me in today's blog as we unveil the game changing strategies to effectively reach millennials through mobile marketing. Ready to discover the keys to connecting with this influential demographic? Point one is utilize app based advertising. Second is create engaging content. Third is leverage social media platforms. Fourth is offer incentives and rewards program. Fifth is integrate location based ads. Sixth is use push notifications. Seventh is provide personalization options. Eighth is implement mobile friendly strategies. Ninth is focus on user experience. 10th is incorporate augmented reality technology. Utilize app based advertising is the first point. Mobile apps are one of the most effective ways to reach millennials and get their attention. Utilizing app based advertising, such as in app ads or sponsored content, can be an effective way to engage with this demographic and direct them towards your product or service. Second is create engaging content. Millennials are always on the lookout for engaging content that resonates with them. Creating interesting video, blog posts, infographics, etc. is a great way to draw their attention and keep it there long enough for you to make a lasting impression. Third is leverage social media platforms. Social media platforms like Instagram, Snapchat, or Twitter are incredibly popular among millennials. Leveraging these platforms by creating profiles and regularly posting relevant content will help you connect with this audience more easily than other methods of mobile marketing. Fourth is offer incentives and rewards programs. Millennials love rewards programs that offer discounts or freebies. Offering incentives like loyalty points or special promotions through mobile devices can be an effective way to lure in this demographic group while simultaneously increasing customer loyalty levels over time too. Fifth is integrate location based ads. Using location based advertisements allow marketers to target potential customers who may be near their business physical location. Sixth is use push notifications. Push notifications are messages sent directly from businesses onto users' phones without any need for opt-in permission from users themselves. These messages let companies send out timely information about sales, special offers, or new products directly into consumers' hands, which increases engagement rates significantly over traditional SMS campaigns. Seventh is provide personalization options. Research has shown that personalized experiences lead millennial consumers to interact more often with brand messaging than generic ones do. Providing personalization options within your mobile marketing strategy can go a long way towards getting better engagement rates from this audience segment. Eighth is implement mobile friendly strategies. Ensuring your website is optimized for mobile devices is essential if you want millennials accessing it via smartphone or tablet. Having responsive design elements makes navigating easier on these smaller screens, as well as faster loading times as they don't have wait around impatiently trying to access what they need. Ninth is focus on user experience. A key element in reaching millennial consumers through mobile marketing invoices focusing on user experience rather than just selling products, making sure your website's interface is intuitively designed so visitors feel comfortable browsing around before taking action will increase conversations overall. 10th is incorporate augmented reality technology. Augmented reality technology has become increasingly popular among millennials due primarily its fun interactive nature. Incorporating AR into your digital campaign allows users explore different aspects of product offerings while still being able to capture wider audiences' attention effectively too.